Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So what an incredible 24 hours, a huge dump, then a little bit pumping, and we are preparing for the Fed rate hikes. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of the internet, because all this is about cryptocurrencies. So let's go and smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes, and that this is how you can improve our views on YouTube, because then YouTube will show this video to more people. And also be sure smashing the subscribe button and the bell notification on. So guys, let's go and check out what's happening out there. I should tell you that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So smashing those like, and let's go and analyze. So guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum is down almost 1%. They started to coming back, but still in huge losses. Ethereum is 20% down in a week, but this is after the merge by the rumor sell the news. XRP is a little bit up, but we see ApeCoin, Ethereum proof of work token, Helium, Chiliz, and Lunacy is pumping. Helium is voting about that they want to go to Solana blockchain, and that is why there is some hype around this. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. And guys, it is at 21. So yesterday it was at 20. So still in the extreme fear lows. And as we are getting closer to the Fed meeting, everybody just careful, because nobody wants to drop further here, and at least they are selling their assets or they are shorting, but also there are some ways that buying up. So this is the first thing that you should to look on this. So the rate hikes is happening on Wednesday 2 p.m. Eastern time, and 83% is waiting for the probability that 0.75 to 75 basis point rate hikes, and 17% is preparing for 1% rate hikes. And if 1% will happen, then the market will dump much harder. If just at 27 basis point, that the market will a little bit in better condition. So the Bitcoin Ethereum crash continues as US 10-year Treasury yield surpasses June high. So Bitcoin price fails to hold $20,000, also dipped below $19,000, just like Ethereum below 1300. So 500 basis points global rate hike ahead. That's the question. Rate decisions this week. So after US, in other countries, in the same day or the following day will be a kind of central bank meetings and rate hikes probably. So central banks rate decisions in the week ending this week, and so huge rate hikes, combined rate hikes. Ethereum merge resulting in downside teaches us a valuable lesson. The global macro environment supersedes everything. If the global markets were generally bullish, then the merge would have resulted in a pump, but it didn't. This goes for Bitcoin as well. So treasury yields increasing, and the 3 months treasury yield is 310 basis points. The 1 year treasury bill is almost 400 basis points. Bitcoin to 14 to 15,000, Ethereum to 750 next. So that's the question. The Bitcoin spent output age bands 7-10 years, which tracks spent BTC and bundles them into categories depending on their age, show the momentum of more than 5,000 Bitcoin on September 4, MACD's user to the on-chain analytic platform. If the holder, which held BTC in its 7th year, moves more than 5,000 BTC, there could be a strong downward trend in the future. This indicator showed signal 7 in the past and fell 6 times, except for one time in February 2021. The fact that the long-term hodler moved the BTC means that there will be an unusual price movement in the future. So every time then long-term hodlers are moving BTC, unusual price movement, let's say dumps, followed after that. When BTC simply transfers, the excessive rise of Ethereum creates a bubble. In particular, if the ETH dominance rises by more than 20%, it provides a good timing to enter the short position. So this is they explaining why the shorts happened. Bear flag pattern now eyeing an extended decline toward the flag's profit target at around 14,500. Okay, so they are targeting 14,500. Yes, this is just an option. And for Ethereum, 750. Okay. Cool. So these are just thoughts of an analyst. So also let me know what is your expectation. So next, Bitcoin better than physical property for regular folks, says Michael Saylor. He's arguing that if you have a property in Africa, no one's going to want to rent it from you if they live in London. But if you have $1 billion of Bitcoin, you can loan it or rent to anybody in the world. Bitcoin represents a property that you can acquire in small pieces that you can carry with you anywhere you go. You can give to your children's children, and in 250 years maybe your family still owns the property, or not if they are selling. Bitcoin is a wild card that's more ripe to outperform when stocks bottom, but transitioning to be more like gold and bonds. So I like this educational stuff, so we should know this. What's next for Bitcoin and the crypto market now that the Ethereum merge is over? Where will the former Ethereum ETH miners go? Maybe Ethereum Classic. We see hash rate spiked, Ergo hash rate spiked, Ravecoins and Flux. So guys, let me know in the comment section what are the best options to mine. And I don't see what is about the Ethereum proof of work hard fork. The Cosmos continue to expand. So guys, this week there is a Cosmos Atom conference, and that is why we expect some maybe some news and some hypes around Atom. So buy the rumor and sell the news, or buy the dip. The Joel Cole move is to sit there and buy any type of overly emotional movement, then sit back and take it easy. So even shorting or longing, but take it easy. So the 200-day moving average and an overhead resistance trend line that extends from Bitcoin's November 2021 all-time high. So this is the 200-day or week moving average that we are kissing it. Okay, guys, let's go and check out our next news. That Ethereum pullback is about to end, says crypto trader who predicted 2018 Bitcoin bottom. Here is his timeline, and here is the smart contractor. We are in the final innings of this ETH correction, correcting the rise from July. Have been mapping this out step by step since August. Top only 10% or so more down to go before we beginning to look for long-term buys. So he predicted this before this drop. So actually he has right here, but the question is if Ethereum will turn here or not. Okay, so C wave is ending now, and then the B wave the B wave was at 1800. Looks like a larger ABC correcting. The 5-wave rise has begun on ETH. This looks like an A wave for now, expecting a bounce that ends up being a lower high soon. 1300 is still the spot to look for buys, in my opinion, provided the structure looks right when we get there. So actually, yes, we were there. So we were there, and now the question is if we are going up from here. Cool. Next, Ripple advisor teases more CBDC announcement in the next few weeks. So maybe this is why Ripple XRP is pumping. So they are piloting a few CBDC programs, several CBDC pilot programs, including one in Bhutan and other in Palau. Okay, and also there is a senior advisor of welfare who handles CBDC Europe and global partnership. Okay, next few weeks, some news will come out. Okay, learn more about Ripple CBDCs. Yeah, so few central banks are building their CBDCs on Ripple blockchain, and this can give some fuel to XRP. Next, Ethereum merge will drive crypto asset prices higher, according to DYOR Group CEO Nigel Green. Here is why. The years in the making merge, a network-wide grand scale upgrade is here. This is a far-reaching overhaul of the most commercially important blockchain in the digital asset ecosystem, and probably the most important landmark event in crypto history since the launch of Bitcoin. It transformed Ethereum from a proof-of-work to proof-of-stake mechanism, which lowers transaction cost, enables the network to process more transactions in shorter amount of time, and will slash energy consumption by a massive 99%. While some of the news has been priced in already, let there be no mistake, this event will be a major catalyst driving prices higher in the long term. The slashing of energy consumption will be the main reason, as it will become significantly more appealing to institutional investors who bring with them enormous capital, expertise, and a reputational pool. Those institutional investors who have been sitting on the sidelines are now likely to move in. Besides having a more positive climate impact, the merge effect of reducing supply, cutting costs, and speeding up transactions will also appeal to both individuals and institutions. Due to the significance of the merge, we expect the developments to bolster prices across the wider crypto market to some degree. It's nice words, we'll see. But at least as we are in a huge downtrend, also in equities, we should definitely wait for it. So Ethereum whale abruptly moves over 145 million US dollars in ETH. Here is where the crypto is going. Okay, this huge whale transferred 1000 Ethereum. Yes, to a Gemini, to an Unknown wallet, Unknown wallet, Unknown wallet, Unknown wallet, Unknown wallet, Unknown wallet. Okay. Okay, so we don't know what's happened with this, but just a small part of it, 50,000 Ethereum was transferred to Gemini, and maybe in order to borrow some stablecoin. Metaverse firm implements NFTs into its Minecraft and GTA5 servers. So guys, NFTs arrived in Minecraft and GTA5, so this is huge, and Mojang is this metaverse company who is doing this, and also Engine is working on this. So blockchain gaming firm Engine and My Metaverse CEO Simon shared how they were able to connect the dots and implement NFTs into Minecraft without violating its terms and conditions. Okay, sounds good. So Engine also involved in this. Next, Solitaire, Counter-Strike, Snake, how casual gaming could be, a huge Bitcoin on-ramp. Gaming companies Zebedee and Thunder are taking advantage of the Lightning Network, a top Bitcoin, to entertain the onboard games into Bitcoin. So there is this gain, Counter-Strike gain, and they are allowing to earn Satoshis. So gaming platform that will transform gaming with the power of Bitcoin and Lightning Network. This is a layer 2 payment solution built on top of the Bitcoin and with instant microtransactions. So guys, this is huge. So players will be rewarded in Bitcoin. The mission is onboard people into Bitcoin, but we are never going to make a game that is not a good game. We don't want just to target Bitcoiners non-stop. It's about making an excellent game that has Bitcoin in it. So guys, hope you are doing this and Bitcoiners will like it. Cool. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out what's happening on Twitter. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dankler on Twitter, and also follow at CorionX platform. And yes, let's go and also check out our laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad that coming soon. So this Fed rate hike could have a domino effect, making other central banks to raise interest rates that would further crash the equity and the crypto market, because Brazil, Indonesia, UK, Philippines, Japan, Switzerland, Norway, South Africa, and all of these countries are following the US after raising interest rates. Solana gaining some market share in NFT sales, but still Ethereum is the market leader, as more than 75% of the NFTs are in Ethereum. So that was some partying, and also some posts here that loving this weekend scam moves. So that was a scam move to 20,000 US dollar. Okay, the higher CPI data ruined the party. For now, we say goodbye for the 23,000 US dollar resistance, just for now. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out CorionX farms. We do have farms on Ethereum and on Binance Smart Chain. So go to Uniswap or to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity, lock up your LPs, and earn up a juicy 330% APRs. And let's go and check out what's happening on the chart. Let's see what is over there. So guys, I don't see the screen, but nothing wrong with this. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Smash those like, push the bell, notification on, subscribe to the channel, visit our farms. Also, let's go and follow us on Telegram, join our Telegram group to get more crypto related insights and educational content. And also visit our farms, provide some liquidity, earn juicy APRs, follow me and CorionX platform and laserpunk_gods on Twitter, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.